Oh,
Okay, Raj. On your video, all of you, for 10 minutes before going into the class, on your video, show me your observations.
ma'am, 18 IS 103.
89 is, oh, sorry, Subham. Who is that? 89 is?
103, ma'am. Subham.
Shubham. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, 18 IS 122.
Viresh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I will keep attendance for you.
Ma'am,
And
99 is 122, ma'am.
122, Mr. 122. Where were you morning class? Rohan?
Yes, I am having a breakfast, ma'am.
Breakfast you were having. I didn't have my breakfast. After class, I went and have at 10:30, 11 o'clock I had. During class, you are having, you know that 9 o'clock classes started. You are having breakfast, it seems. Listen to the class and respond. Anyway, on your videos and show me the observation. Last class, few of you have not shown. I have marked in the attendance register. Fast. Today we will take time for on your videos, all of you. Sanjeevani, done. Sai Sriram, so you can close. Sanjeevani Sharma, Sai Sriram, Harsha, what is that? Tower of Hanoi I am seeing. Last class we discussed that. Okay, ma. Anju, Sagar, fine. Nityashri, okay. Shamolima, okay. Shayan, okay. Ranjini, okay. Sai Rohit, show me observation. Fine, ma. Kirti, fine. Pratiksha, make sure that you people are completing your observation. Suddenly one day I will share a link. Okay, ma. Pratiksha, okay. Subnit, okay. Suddenly one day I will share a link only for half an hour and told you to upload. That time don't blame. I will suddenly, someday I will tell you to upload your observation when I am giving the lab mark. Shalini, okay. Rohit Bharadwaj, yes. Rishita, okay. Manjunatha, okay. Rahim, 93, okay. Nirbhay, fine. Kevin, fine. Megha, roll number 94, fine. Samita, fine. Nikhil, okay. Pranav, okay. Kriti Mahalingam, I am not able to see clearly.
94.
94. 1 minute, ma. 94 I couldn't see. Okay. Kirti Mahalingam. Okay. Okay, ma. Manu, okay. Nisarga, I'm just marking who and all are showing. I'm marking in my attendance register. Manjunath TR. Nisarga, you can, I have noted. Manjunath P, show your observation. I'm seeing him.
I'm turning my camera. I'm turning.
Okay. No, I am glad to see you also. Actually, I want to see you people also. By name, now I know everyone, but by face, I am not so. Remy done. I have checked already yours. Kritin also. I have seen Kritin. Ritesh, fine. Okay, this many only. Participants are more here, but 36, 56. Navya.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Likith.
Likith. Where is one? Likith. Yes, Likith. I have seen close. Anju also. Dinesh Prabhu.
Ma'am, 140.
Ma'am,
Dinesh Prabhu, I have seen. Adarsh, I
Ma'am,
have seen.
135.
135. 1 minute.
ma'am, 85, 85.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 85 I saw. I told you.
Ma'am, 135. Adarsh.
Others I have seen. Marked.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 148.
143 also I have seen. Shashank, yes, Shashank, I have seen. Marked. Okay, fine. Whoever I have marked, let it be. Last class also I have marked. Okay, let us start our class. Okay, actually we have a linked list program.
Excuse
before-
me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, last lab, ma'am, I was absent because I was in out of station, ma'am. What can I do so that?
Nothing you can do. It's okay, fine. You attend. Last class, what was the programs covered? You just go through once. Huh? I
Okay,
think we did circular queue and some other programs we have seen. Once you go through it, if you have further any doubts in it, you can get back to me. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. I'm just opening the document. See, today what I will do is linked list we have seen as theory in class we have seen. Now what I will do before going into the lab program, one or two simple linked list programs I will discuss. Then we will go into the lab program, because lab program it is given, means it is like one small student database we are adding and creating using linked list. So before going into that, I will just show you a basic lab discussion and lab program for linked list, and then we will go for the thing. Okay, linked list. I have just taken two programs just for your explanation. I have taken these two programs. Is this visible? Is it visible? One program I am writing here. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So actually what is this program? What this program does, the first sample program does is it creates a node and inserts it. And we are creating a node, storing data in it, and we are displaying it by using print function. By using insert function, I am inserting the nodes and printing it. That's it. Very simple. Only two functions, two things I am doing. First, I am taking data, I am creating a node, then I am inserting the value, whatever data you want to insert into the node. This inserted function does that work. It creates a node, inserts the data, and then this insertion, how this insertion happens is you are trying to insert the element at the first new element, insertion at the beginning. Do you remember we have insertion in linked list? What we have a node. In linked list we have node, and the node will have two parts. One is called data part, and the second one holds the link or address or reference or next pointer. It is a pointer which points to the next node. This is how your linked list is, right? So for this linked list operations, when we talk about operations, basically we have insertion operation, deletion operation, display operation. The first insertion operation can be done in three ways. Insertion at beginning, insertion at the end, insertion at the specified position. What we have seen in theory and you have written in your CIE one also. Okay, so insertion at beginning when I want to do, I will create a new node. I will create a new node, and the start pointer, whatever, actually there is a start pointer called head node or start pointer which points to the first node. So insertion at beginning when I want to do, then this start pointer will be pointing to the new node that you have created, and this new node's next will be linked to the previous head node. Same way, again one more node like that you go on adding at the beginning. Add at the beginning, insert at the beginning. Same way we have, anyway all these three functions I am not showing because step by step we will go. Insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, insertion at the end, and then insertion at a specified position. These are the three things actually, but just to start with, I'll discuss about all these three also in the next program. But for this first program, just to start with, we will do this insertion at the beginning and display. Is that clear? Is that clear? So this program, first program, does insertion at the beginning. Means we are inserting the node at the front, as a first node. So here, you please observe here what we are doing. This is very, very important for any linked list program. These three statements, or this structure definition is required, is must. What we are doing here, we are creating a structure. What is the name of the structure? Node. Name of the structure is node. Struct name. Maybe in C programming you might have already learned about the syntax about the structure, right? The same thing here we are doing. We are creating a structure for the node. Node, whatever we are representing, like this we are representing. So for that we are creating a structure here. So struct node I am defining. And what does this node should consist of? Node is divided into two parts, right? The data part and next part. Data part and next part. So what is the type of data? Integer. What is the type of data that we are storing in this node? Integer. Please try to understand. This is very important. Structure of a node. Okay, we are defining a structure node, and this node will have two members in it. What are the members in the node structure? One is data, the second one is next. And what is the type of data? Integer. Means it is holding integer values like 10. Data part will have 10, 20, 6, 5, 4, whatever it is, the integer values it will hold. So data is a integer type. And next we are giving as a asterisk we are giving. So what does a asterisk, if it is added to any variable, what does it mean? What variable is it?
Pointer.
It is a pointer variable. We have seen in your first year C programming, and also in first module we have discussed. So asterisk, when we are seeing, it says that this is a pointer variable. And what is the type of this pointer variable? What is the type of this pointer variable? Struct node. Struct node. Why I am saying this? Please observe. Why I am saying this is a struct node. We have studied one concept in module 1 called self-referral structure. Remembering, when you are using the same structure, referral structure, self-referral structure. When you are referring the same structure inside the structure definition, then we say that structure as a self-referral structure. So this is what your self-referral structure. In defining a linked list node, we use a self-referral structure. What it says is, like this next is a pointer. For example, this is a pointer. This is pointing to what? Pointing to what? The pointer here in this node points to what, ma'am?
Address of
Next
the
node.
next.
Points to what? Just very simple, no address and all. Points to
Next node.
Next
next
node.
node. It is pointing, it is having, obviously it is an address. Pointer variable, definitely it will hold address. Address of what? Address of next node, which is again consisting of two parts, data part and address part. So that's why we are defining it as a self-referral structure. The second part of the node consists address of, and when I put a hashtag, that is understood. It is a pointer variable, it holds address. Address of what? Structure node type, means it is address of another node that is being holded here. Getting my point? Similarly, address of this node is stored here. Address of some other node is stored here, and finally, none. Means last node will have none. So this next is a pointer variable which is holding the address of another node, next node. So that's why we are defining the pointer next as struct node. Okay, so similarly, if I want to hold character data, I will change here char data. Or if I want to store an array, means or a string, I can give here as a character array. Whatever you want, that variable you can change here using this keyword. You can change the keyword for the data part. But always do remember for the next part, this struct node will be there. Whatever you are using here, whatever name, whatever structure you are defining, the same self-referral structure should be used for defining a next pointer. So this is very important. So so this is what actually struct node is. So this is important, and always we will be starting a linked list program by defining the struct node, structure of the node. So node here, what kind of, what type of linked list is being used? Because node is having two parts, data part and next part. What we say this as?
Singly linked list.
Singly linked list. In doubly linked list, I will have one more pointer. But here we are defining a node with only two parts. One part is your data part, other part is your next part. Okay. Anyway, again, this is our done. Definition of structure is done. Then globally, I am declaring a pointer variable head. Head. Here we are using head instead of start. Head also means the same, does the same job. It points to the first node or starting node of the linked list. Head is a pointer which points to the starting node of the linked list. You are defining this node, this pointer globally and initializing it to null. Initially nothing was there, so we are declaring it as null. Anyway, one more, see the data type. It is a user defined data type struct node because it is pointing. This head also is pointing, is a pointer variable which is pointing to the first node. That's why we are defining the type as struct node, Okay, and one more pointer variable current. Of course we didn't use that in this program, so just as of now we are declaring it and initializing it to null. Now this is a function. This is the function print list. Print means display. Just like you are displaying the elements of your linked list, we are using this function. Print list displays the elements of your, this one minute. Okay, what I was telling. Yeah, this is a display function. What this display function does, we will just have a look. Struct node pointer is equal to head. Head, why I am giving this head? Because printing should start from the first element of my linked list. So we are declaring a pointer and initializing it means starting address head, whatever head is pointing, you just copy it in this variable ptr, pointer variable, which is of pointing a struct node. Then just this is a print statement slash and head. This is a print statement. While pointer is not equal to null. When does this pointer points to null? When does the pointer points to null? When it reaches the last element of the linked list, it points to null. Until it is not equal to null, using a while loop, go on %d, because our data is int. I don't want the address and all to be printed. I want only the data to be printed. So %d, whatever data is holded in the data part of the pointer, ptr hyphen data. See how we are referencing. See, this is our data. Suppose I am having 10 and this is address, or some suppose 200. Wait 1 minute. I'm not clear. This is a node 2000 is the address. Suppose 2000 is the address. Somewhere at memory location 2000, there is the second data, and only 2 elements I'll take for this example, and this is pointing. Actually, there will be no link like this. Just the address will be there. For our understanding, we are drawing that line and all. Otherwise, this is nothing but memory location 2000. 2000 is the memory location, and this is some 1996, suppose. So, and head is pointing to 1996, head is pointing to 1996, and head's data part, you can print like this also. Head, using this arrow symbol, head arrow data means the what is stored in that particular address. Head address is 1996. In this memory address 1996, what is the data stored will be printed. And if I give like this head, this arrow mark, ptr, or next, sorry, here we have defined here as next, right? Next, this one. So it will like next, if you say, this will have value. What is there in 1996 next part? 2000. Got my point? Same way here, what we are doing, this head we are copying into ptr. So ptr's data part, ptr's data will be 10. ptr data and ptr's next pointer. ptr is nothing but the pointers next. There are two parts in our node, right? Data part and next part. To access the data part and next part, we basically use or denote like this: ptr's data, arrow mark data, ptr's next. That is what I wanted to make the people clear at this point. So that while pointer is not equal to null, means until it reaches the last node of the linked list, go on printing the data part, whatever is there in that, print it, and then move your pointer. After printing 10, I should move to the next location. I should print 10. So for that, you are moving your pointer. Like after printing in our array, what we used to do, I equal to a of I, print a of I, %d, comma a of I, then I plus plus. You are incrementing the ith location. That is index value, you are moving to next. The same way, like how I plus plus works, this pointer is equal to pointers next. Means move to the next node. move to the next node. Initially pointer will be head, whatever 1996, and that data will be printed. After that, whatever is there in your next of 1996, next what is there, 2000. 2000's data will be printed, and when it reaches to null, if it is null, it comes out of the pointer and says null. Is this function clear? How this display function is written? Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same way, just to proceed, next function, insertion at the beginning. Insertion at the beginning. Very simple. See, 4 lines. Insert. Now to insert, what I should do, first of all, to insert what I should do, first I should create a node and allocate some memory. So in this insert function, we are using the dynamic memory allocation function malloc, and based on the size of your node, based on the size of the node, now the node is having one data part and one pointer. So how much memory is required, that much memory is calculated, and that is been allocated to this link. In here we have created a new node named link, L-I-N-K, link. You can give anything, new node also give. Struct node star new node. Struct node star some anything, NODE capital node, something, whatever you do give here, for that memory is been allocated. And in that links data part, put the data whatever you are passing as an argument. And links next is equal to head. Links next is equal to head. See, now I will tell you, we'll take one example. What is the initial head? Initialized in the program, initialized to
Null.
null, right? It was null. Anyway, let me just, after definition, let me call function this, insert 10. Insert 10. So the function is being called. Data is 10 here. Memory is allocated for link. I mean, say a node is created like this because it is of struct node. And in links data part, as the function call with the data 10 is placed, and links next head. Head as of now is null. So it will be null. Null. I'm just writing a cross mark. It will be NULL, null. The value will be null. Then head is equal to link. After creating this, your head is again a pointer pointing to this new link. And it comes out and goes to the next line or next statement in the main function. Insert 20. So again insert 20, again a new node will be created. New node will be created, use calling the malloc function, and links data part 20. Links data part you are adding 20. Links next is equal to head. Links next is equal to head. What is head now? Head is this, right? Head is this pointing to this. So links next is equal to head means this is pointing, links next is pointing to head. And then after that next statement, head is equal to link. So previously head was pointing this one. Now head will point to, head was pointing to this one. Now head is pointing to this link. Clear? Again the function goes to the next statement, insert 30. Insert 30. So when I am inserting 30, it will call the function insert 30. Again in this name link we are allocating memory, and links this one will be created, a node will be created because link is of type node. Links data is equal to data 30. 30 will be inserted into this node, and then links next is equal to head. Links